Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our topic is how to let go our past.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, I would like to say thank you so much for regularly watching my videos, giving me your feedback, love and support. I'm really grateful. Keep watching my videos and please do share your feedback with me if you want me to cover any topic. And today our topic is how we can let go our past, how we can walk away. Let's start the topic. Today is our day to walk away, to release everything that we are holding from our past. If you still not done it, you have to do it now. It's a past and it's over. You have to accept this reality. You are the one who have to work on yourself. You are the one who will decide now it's time to let it go. We have held on it too very long just to think that it's normal. It's not normal. We have to let it go. Today, in this video, let's scan our life. Let's do the catharsis. Let's think that how we can let go our past. Let's scan our life. Let's do the catharsis. It could be your childhood memory. It could be when you are growing up. It could be a friend amongst everybody. Or it could be as we move on our career or our relationship with our friend, spouse, sibling, anyone. Or it could be a stranger on the road. It could be anyone who are not just the way you wanted them to be. And you got hurt because whatever the expectations you had with them, who were just the way you never thought they could be, and you got hurt. Let me give you an example of this past which you are holding, that bad memories which you are holding. It's like a wound and you're scratching it on every day by thinking of that bad memories. When you scratch it, it's giving you, it's more painful. By passing the time, it's more painful. It's not about them anymore, it's about you, because you are the one who are holding that memories. It's a past, it's over. You have to accept it. They have done only for once. You are the one who is holding it till date. And let me tell you, if you will not let it go, if you will not let go your past, then you cannot focus on your present. Live in your present. You cannot live in your present because you are still living in your past. Let it go. Let it go. Feel your present. Because you are living here. Once you will start living in your present, then you will focus on your future. Until you are still living in your past, you cannot focus on your future. You feel that this wound is so deep, it cannot heal ever. You know why it's not healing? Because you don't want it to heal it. You don't want it to let it go. Now you are used of it, this pain. Let it go. This pain is not for you. It's the time to clean that wound. It's the time to clean that wound. Get rid of it. It's high time. Today is the day when you have to get rid, when you have to walk away, when you have to release your past. Just do it today. There is no tomorrow. Live in your present so that you can focus on your future. Now it's a part of your being. Now what you have to do, what you need to do, just take a deep breath and talk to yourself. I always, in my each and every video, I always tell you, talk to yourself. You are your best friend. Anyone in this world can leave you other than yourself. Yourself is the one who is standing with you in your thick and thin. So why you don't need to speak to yourself? You speak everyone. If you have any problem with any relationship, you talk to them. Then if you have anything which which is in yourself, which is related to yourself, then you have to talk to yourself. You have to convince yourself it's a past, let it go. It's over. You cannot live in your past. It's high time, let it go. Take a deep breath, take a deep breath, and take a deep breath and talk to yourself. Why I'm repeating it again? Because this is the only thing which you need to do to get rid from this past, walk away from this past, and release this past. This is the only thing how you can get rid from this wound. Love yourself, respect yourself. Don't hurt yourself. If you will start hurting yourself, then how you can expect others to treat you in another way, in a different way, in a good way, right? So you have to start focusing on yourself. Live in your present. Think about your future. Past is over. You just walk away from the past which is hurting you, not because of them. It's not about them anymore. The day they have done, that at that day, it was about them. After that, until today, it's about you. You are the one who is holding it. Let it go. Walk away. Release it. It's about yourself. It's not about them anymore. Leave it. Walk away from the people who hurt you. Walk away from the feeling that the way you please people who doesn't know your worth, who doesn't understand your worth. Walk away from the people who make you feel that you are no one, who makes you feel that you are worthless. Walk away. The more you walk away from the people or the thing which is hurting your soul, which is poisoning your soul, the more you will be healthier, the more you will be happy. Love yourself, respect yourself, walk away from the thing which is hurting you. Walk away from your past. You are not living in your past anymore. That bad memories, walk away from that bad memories. It's not about them anymore. It's about you. Think about it and keep watching my videos. Love yourself.